First, go to Sweezy Cursors and pick a cursor pack you like. Hit Download for Windows to download a zip file that includes the cursor files. Extract the zip into a folder. Once you see the cursor files inside, you can delete the zip file. Now let's apply the new mouse arrow design. Click Search box in Start menu, then search Mouse Settings. Open it, scroll down, and click Additional Mouse Settings. In the window that opens, go to the Pointers tab. Under Customize, select Normal Select, then click Browse. Find the folder where you extracted the cursor pack, choose the arrow cursor file, and click Open. Next, select Link Select, click Browse, and choose the hand pointer cursor file. Click Apply, then OK, and your new mouse icon/arrow design is now active. Now your mouse arrow looks custom everywhere, and when you hover over clickable stuff, the hand pointer matches the same style. That's it. Quick, clean, and way better than the default. Kindly like, subscribe, and also press the bell for future updates. Thanks for watching.